TGO Traders Whiz here with your Thursday market SITREP, and seeing the futures more or less flat. We got news across the pond over there that Mario Draghi, the ECB, is going to leave rates unchanged. The Nikkei still slipping a little bit, not the absolute bloodbath that it's been lately, and then the rest of Asia really caught a little bit of a bid, and mainly it's on bargain hunting, which is a good sign. The fact that people are coming in some of the Asian markets, that it is catching a bid, and that the Nikkei only went down about 0.2% as opposed to a 4% drop, might indicate that the worst is over. The Kospi was up. Shanghai wasn't looking too bad. So we'll see what our markets do today. On our flight schedule, obviously we have weekly unemployment claims and some preliminary non-farm productivity and labor costs. So they should be coming out. Actually, they should be out by now. Yep, there we go. Unemployment claims, nice number there. Close to 337. And then preliminary non-farm productivity 3.2 and a negative 1.6 handle on the labor costs. Some other news: Green Mountain, man, the float on this stock, the short, is about 31% short, and the stock went up 45% after earnings and with the Coke announcement. This is why you don't short stocks, folks. Or if you want to play something short, you use options. I mean, this just obliterated the shorts. And obviously, the other big news: Twitter is, good headline. Twitter is getting annihilated, down 20% pre-market trading, and it was funny because it spiked up to about $72 as they were going through their earnings announcement. Good numbers, and then they added like 1 million people this past month or whatever it was, when the forecast was 15 million. So while some of the financial numbers were okay, they didn't add anybody. So when you're talking about social media, I mean, that's a canary in the coal mine. If the bodies start drying up, that's why, people like, Facebook it beat and numbers looking good. It's over with, folks, for these social media stocks. I'm calling it right now. Facebook, when the kids ditch Facebook, that means, and older people, even my father-in-law, who had a Facebook account, opened it recently. He's like, this is dumb and I'm done with it. So, I'm feeling a little Twitterish with Facebook as well. So some of these social media stocks are, I think, due for a huge fall and a big correction. So, but going to be an interesting rest of the week. Have 3 weekly options positions that are looking pretty good. We have an Apple Iron Condor that's going to go right down the fairway. It's pre-market at 509 right now, which is right where I need it. Goog is catching a little bit of a bid, and we have an SPX Iron Condor. So we're looking at potentially nearly $12,500 in gains on 5 trades with maximum risk of about $5,000. So that's nearly a 50% return potentially in our weekly options model portfolio. So I'm going to be watching those obviously all day today and managing them. I'm actually going to be hopping in the car today, driving up to Jacksonville and giving a keynote tomorrow morning in Jacksonville. So I'm going to be mobile today and enjoying the nice peaceful drive from South Florida. And I will talk to you guys Friday morning with our Friday market wrap-up over at Wealth Creation Investing. Make sure you check your email today. Big announcement from Top Gun Options. We're getting airborne with our Options Weapons School, and that is something you do not want to miss if you've been waiting for a fully geared training program from Top Gun Options. Here it is, and it's a big one, and it's called Options Weapons School. So check your email, make sure you register all the free events that are coming up, and I'll look forward to seeing you there. Happy hunting, make sure you hedge, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.